Hey everyone, Vitaly's here, and I'm glad you still watch these videos. It means that you find value in them. It makes me happy and gives me the energy to continue making them for you. Last time I shared my 10 hacks on how to work efficiently from home, and today I want to talk to you about the financial crisis. It is coming. It might be already be here. The stock market is down. It's not doing well. Millions of people lost their jobs. Businesses have to close their doors. This might create a domino effect. Perhaps it's already in the process. I don't know what to expect, and this is why I created 3 scenarios for myself: optimistic, pessimistic, and the worst case scenario. I create these scenarios for my businesses and myself personally because I need to know and be ready emotionally and physically for anything that's going to happen, so it won't break me. Today, I want to share my 5 hacks with you guys on how to deal with the crisis and how to be prepared. Hack number 1, don't panic, never. Make sure you filter everything you hear, watch, or read. Not everything is true, and most likely, most of the information is false. Lots of conspiracies. Some use this opportunity to get some hype and make more money. Make sure you stay cool and have sober mind. Make sure you're in the condition when you will be ready to make a decision. Hack number 2, be over prepared. This doesn't mean that you should go and buy everything you can, especially toilet paper. No, what's more important is to be prepared mentally and emotionally. If things are going to go south, you would need to take an action and perhaps make hard decisions. Be prepared to make them fast. Once, many years ago, I postponed hard decision by 3 months, just 3 months, and that cost me over $1 million. Don't do that. Hack number 3, get rid of fat. Become super lean. This is going to help you to survive and be ready if things are going to get bad. And it will help you to grow super fast when crisis is over. You will have a big advantage over other businesses, over your competitors. And hack number 4, focus. Focus on a few things that's going to bring fast results and potentially save you from death. I'm talking about business death. Figure out what those things are and focus, focus, and focus. Hack number 5, don't get emotional. It might be similar to hack number 1, but it's different. Sometimes people don't panic, but they get very emotional when things get bad. And these emotions ruin relationships with their employees, partners, colleagues, friends, family. Don't let emotions control you and make decisions for you. Control those emotions and make your own decisions. And as a bonus, a few more things I recommend for employees and freelancers. If you're an employee, here are a few things for you. This is an excellent time to step up in the game. Show your employer that you're worth more than you cost. Meanwhile, you can polish your resume and think about your plan B and update your LinkedIn profile just in case. Refresh your connections, call people, ask how they're doing, spend less. Even if nothing is going to happen, this is not going to hurt you. Work more than you should, deliver more than expected. This is a great time to do that, especially during the lockdown. You have more time, use it wisely. Freelancers, don't overreact. Do the same thing that you were doing, but better. Deliver more than you got paid for, so those clients will come back to you and not to your competitors. Improve your customer service, reply fast, be polite, provide value. Don't take more jobs than you can handle. This may ruin your freelancing business and you can burn out, or your quality may go down. And cut fat, spend less. Be ready to adapt to a new reality. What about if you got laid off? Well, it may feel bad, but this is your opportunity time. The most important thing now, be cool-minded and don't allow yourself to give up. Here are a few additional things that you can do now. This is a great time to invest in your education. There are plenty of options. This might be not something you want to do, but this is something that's going to change your life for better. Improve your game, Most of the time when you work for companies, you don't have time to improve your knowledge and skill. Now it's a good time to get to the next level, do free work, find people or companies you like and offer them free work. There's nothing to lose on their side, and your free work can land you a job offer. Do things that you always wanted to do. Spend more time with your family, fix things you always wanted to fix. Don't procrastinate. Don't let this situation ruin your life. Own this situation and stay on top of it. Don't sit and wait. Work harder than you ever worked. Fix things, build things, invest in yourself. Okay, that's it for today. Next time, I'm going to talk about goals and how to set them and how to achieve them. Very important topic. I wish you all the best and see you next time.